who doesn't want to live the high life, right? To have all the cash, the freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want? Well, reality check. Most of us aren't rolling in millions just yet. So here's the scoop. I've got a lineup of cars that scream money without breaking the bank, all under 12 grand. Before we start, like and subscribe if you would buy this Lamborghini for $1. Mercedes S550. First in line, we've got the Mercedes S550, a four-door opulent land yacht. Picture it, a land yacht, but not just any. The S550 is the pinnacle of accessible luxury, an elegant behemoth that wraps you in a cocoon of comfort. Slide into its embrace and you will greet it by plush leather that caresses you like a bespoke suit. The cabin is a symphony of top-tier technology where every button press and touchscreen swipe feels like a seamless dance of sophistication. Now let's talk suspension. Air suspension, to be precise. It's the secret sauce that elevates your driving experience to ethereal heights. With every rise and fall of the road, you'll feel like you're gliding on a cloud. It's the kind of sensation that leaves an indelible mark, imprinting on you the essence of true luxury. But what truly sets the S550 apart is under the hood, where power meets refinement. Here's the beauty of choice. Two engines, each with its own symphony of horses waiting to be unleashed. The early models come equipped with a 5.4-litre V8, a thoroughbred that gallops with a respectable 383 horsepower. It's the kind of power that effortlessly surges through your veins, promising a ride that's both exhilarating and poised. For those who crave an extra helping of adrenaline, the later models, born from 2011 onwards, come fitted with a twin-turbocharged 4.6-litre V8. This powerhouse commands the road with well over 400 horses, propelling you into a realm of exhilaration that's simply unmatched. It's a kind of power that pins you to your seat, leaving you with a grin that stretches from ear to ear. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the cost of ownership. Yes, it's true, a Mercedes, especially one as opulent as the S550, can demand a bit of financial attention. Repairs, if done at the dealer, might make your wallet wince. But here's the secret, embrace the Indy. Picture this, a 2012 model, sleek and silver, rear-wheel drive, an embodiment of sophistication and performance. And the best part, it's within reach, just under 10k. That's right, the epitome of affordable extravagance, a chance to own a piece of automotive art history that doesn't break the bank. Subaru WRX. The Subaru WRX. A true legend in the world of rallying and a road-going dynamo. This Japanese marvel isn't just a car, it's an experience, an adrenaline-pumping symphony of power and precision. Picture this, a distinctive hood scoop and an imposing wing, as if it's poised for takeoff. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. You can spot a WRX from a mile away, and you can hear it even further. The distinctive turbocharged growl is the soundtrack of enthusiasts' dreams. Beneath the hood lies a masterpiece, a 2.0-litre flat-4 engine meticulously crafted and tuned for one thing, performance. It's not just about power, it's about how that power is harnessed. The WRX is an all-wheel drive marvel, gripping the asphalt with tenacity, ensuring every ounce of that power translates into pure, unadulterated speed. Now about the price. This is where it gets even more exciting. For under 12k, you can have a piece of this rally-inspired legacy. It's an offer that seems almost too good to be true. A car that once commanded a much higher price now awaits those who crave the thrill of turbocharged power without burning a hole in their pocket. For under 12k, you're not just getting a car, you're getting a piece of automotive history. You're getting a rally legend that's being tamed for the streets, ready to unleash its full potential at your command. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in pure, unadulterated driving pleasure. So what are you waiting for? The open road awaits and the WRX is poised to conquer it. Hummer H2. Alright, buckle up for a ride down memory lane as we rev up one of the most iconic symbols of American extravagance, the legendary Hummer H2. Picture this, it's the early 2000s, and the streets are bustling with flashy cars and bigger-than-life SUVs. But amidst the glitz and glamour, one vehicle stood tall, quite literally. The Hummer H2, a colossus on four wheels, was the undisputed monarch of the roads, embodying excess like no other. This beast was more than just a car, it was a statement, a proclamation of success and audacity. Its presence was felt long before it came into view, its bold and brash design screaming confidence. As you approached it, you couldn't help but feel a rush of power, a taste of the audacious spirit it represented. Now let's pop the hood, and there you find the heart of this behemoth, a monstrous 6-liter V8 engine. It's the kind of engine that's become legendary for its ability to consume gas like it's going out of style. And let's be honest, if you're at the helm of an H2, the fuel bill isn't exactly a primary concern. You're in it for the experience, for the sheer thrill of commanding such a colossus. And here's the kicker. This automotive icon has aged like a fine wine. Despite the years, the H2 still commands attention, its design as relevant today as it was back then. Audi A8. Now let's venture beyond the well-trodden paths and explore a few more hidden gems that embody opulence without breaking the bank. Here we have the Audi A8, a full-size luxury sedan that carries itself with an air of timeless elegance. Its smooth, sleek lines and meticulously designed interior exude sophistication. The D2 generation, hailing from the late 90s to the early 2000s, is a testament to Audi's commitment to craftsmanship. When you lay your eyes on this beauty, you can't help but be captivated by its understated, yet striking presence. It doesn't shout for attention, it commands it. As you slip into the plush leather seats, you're enveloped in an aura of opulence. The cabin is a masterclass in design and comfort. Every material used, every detail attended to, speaks of luxury and refinement. It's a place where you can truly relish the joy of driving. Now let's talk about performance. The Audi A8 isn't just about looks and comfort, it's got the power to match it. Under the hood, you'll find a range of robust engines, from V6s to V8s, all delivering smooth, effortless power. The ride is serene, the handling impeccable, and the overall driving experience is nothing short of sublime. But here's the kicker. You can find a well-maintained Audi A8 within the 12k range. Yes, you read that right. Owning this piece of automotive artistry won't dent your bank account. Imagine cruising down the streets in a car that not only exudes luxury but also tells the world that you appreciate the finer things in life. Ford Mustang. Now shift gears and let's talk about a true American legend, the Ford Mustang. This is no ordinary car. It's an icon that's etched into the annals of automotive history. For decades, it's been the embodiment of performance and style, a symbol of American automotive prowess. Beneath the hood lies the heart that beats with a 4.0-liter V6 engine. It's the kind of power plant that delivers a hefty punch, giving you a taste of the raw muscle that defines this legend. When you unleash it on the open road, you can feel the power coursing through the accelerator, propelling you forward with an exhilarating force. But it's not just about the power, it's about the presence. The design of the Mustang is nothing short of a declaration. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it exudes the essence of a true muscle car. The lines are sleek, the curves are commanding, and every inch of this machine is designed to make a statement. When you're behind the wheel, you're not just driving, you're commanding the attention of everyone on the road. And let's talk about that distinctive exhaust note. It's not just a sound, it's a symphony. The rumble that emanates from the Mustang is like a signature tune, a proclamation that announces your arrival. It's a sound that's synonymous with power and performance, a language that every car enthusiast understands. Prices for a well-maintained Mustang of this caliber start well below 10k. Yep. For a fraction of the cost of some other performance cars, you can have a piece of American automotive history, a true icon that's been revered by generations. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a Mustang, if you've ever wanted to experience the thrill of driving a true American legend, this is your golden opportunity. It's not just a car, it's a piece of culture, a symbol of power and a testament to the enduring legacy of Ford's iconic creation. Don't let this chance pass you by. So there you have it, a lineup of cars that make you look like $1 million without the hefty price tag. Now tell me, which one would you choose? If you have less than 12 grand, then watch this video to find out best cars under 10 grand in Germany that you can afford.